Commander Morning. Commander in fact ngiyazi ukuthi mhlawumbe abanye abantu bengathi hey lo muntu lona ugqoke ikapesi lekhosathu wenzani ne in fact commanders into eyenzakalayo kuthina ngoba sisebenza nje kwi public sector we don't have a union and i-union ebesinayo i-union yabantu bakagogo so asikwazi ukuthi singasuka ukuthi sesiyasuka manje sizojoina yipi union ne so hopefully ukuthi ama commanders azokwazi ukuthi sibe nayo i-union especially thina baka abakwi public sector ne ukuthi okay sizokwazi ukuthi hayi nathi i-union eqondene nomkhonto wesizwe but we don't have i-union eqondene nomkhonto wesizwe hopefully kodwa ke ama comrade ngibonile ukuthi enze i-mayor rally ngomhla ka1 eVictoria Mxenga ne so I will go there just to celebrate with comrades then ukuthi ngiye kwinto eqondene nabantu bakagogo so ama comrade ukuthi asixolele kodwa ke thina ikhosathu sikuyona because uma uthi asingabe ikhosathu soba yini ne uma uthi asingabe ikhosathu sizokuba yini so iyona into eyenzakalayo yabona nje ngomhla ka1 ngizokuya lapha eVictoria Mxenga ngiyo celebrate i-mayor rally then ukuthi ngiye entweni ethinta abantu bakagogo ne kodwa ke nje comrade sizoba patient nalezi zinto lezi ngizoyifaka nepost eqondene necelebration yako Victoria Mxenge ye May Day rally yangomhla ka1 ethinta thina abasebenzi ethinta thina abasebenzi ukuthi hayi kufanele sithi celebrate lolu suku lolu that's why ukuthi ngifake nje neskipa nesigqoko nje sesathu Commander Morning